This incubator works with a large LCD screen here, which has a very clear view, and it can display the set temperature and actual temperature. Moreover, the temperature adjustment is of high precision and accuracy. The temperature range is from temperature plus 5 degrees Celsius to 66 degrees Celsius. And the temperature can be adjusted to 1 decimal. For example, you can set the temperature at 50.5 degrees Celsius.
Our incubator has unique air duct structure, which can measure good temperature uniformity. And there are 2 cells in the incubator, which can freely install and unloading, so we can put different sizes of containers in it without restriction. And no matter which cells the sample is placed in, it can get heated at the same temperature, so the accuracy of experiment can be ensured.
And our incubator is equipped with built-in temperature correction function, which can prevent the temperature from being too low or too high, and it can correct the temperature when there is a differences between the chamber temperature and the setting temperature.
What's more, it has a user-friendly timing function, range for 1 to 9,999 minutes.
Hi, welcome. Hello, welcome, Mr. Hector. Welcome our friends from Mexico. Welcome to our live stream. We are introducing our incubator. This is a heating incubator. And if you are interested in the products, you can send us an inquiry. For this heating incubator, it can be suitable for many temperature experiments. It has a large LCD screen to display the set temperature and actual temperature. And the outer door of the incubator is equipped with an observation window, so we can check the situation in the working room at any time.
And the main body of the incubator is made of high-quality thin steel plant. It's very durable. If you like it, please click like for us. And if you want to know more details, you can send us an inquiry. Don't forget to send it with our slogan, I like MeCan, then you can get $10 discount.
That's right. If you like our products, please take action. And let's back to our introduction. We just talked about this heating incubator has a user-friendly timing function, right?
Yeah. When the incubator reaches the setting temperature, it will start timing. It's really easy to use. Also, there is an auxiliary thermostat to ensure the incubator can still work normally when the main thermostat is broken.
Bridget, could you show the thermostat to our friends?
Yes, here. So the result of the experiment will be affected seriously. For some experiments, we don't need to spend time to do it again.
And the main body of the incubator is made of high-quality thin steel plates. The material is 201 stainless steel, and the thickness is 1.0 millimeters. It is very durable. The lifespan is about 5 to 8 years. And the inner tank, let's check the inner tank. It is made of high quality and corrosion resistant stainless steel. Besides, the corner of the inner tank adopts arc transition design, which is convenient for cleaning.
The outdoor of incubator has an observation window, which can directly check the cultivation situation in the working room at any time. And this incubator has a leakage protection device here, and it can ensure the safety and breathability during working.
And our incubator also has 3 optional configurations. One is the microprinter or interface, which can be used for printing or connecting to a computer to achieve remote control and alarm. Second is the programmable multi-segment LCD temperature controller, which can be easier to control the temperature. And the last optional function is UV sterilization system for sterilizing the incubator after the experiments. Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Welcome, Edward from United States. Hello, welcome to our live stream.
Welcome, Edward.
We are introducing our heating incubator. It can be suitable for many temperature experiments. It has large LCD screen to display the setting temperature and actual temperature. And the outer door of the incubator is equipped with an observation window, so we can check the situation in the working room at any time.
And the main body of the incubator is made of high quality thin steel plant. It's really durable. If you like it, please hit like for us. And if you want to know more details, you can send us an inquiry. Don't forget to send it with our slogan, I like MeCan, then you can get $10 discount.
That's right. If you like it, please don't forget to send us an inquiry with our slogan, I like MeCan. Okay, now let's back to our introduction. We just talked about it has 3 optional configurations: the microprinter, the programmable multi-segment LCD temperature controller, and the UV sterilization.
Okay, that's the end of the introduction of our heating incubator. If you think this incubator cannot meet your requirement and you need to other type of incubator or you want bigger capacity, don't worry. We have many models of incubator. I'm sure we can satisfy all your needs. So please send us an inquiry and tell us your detailed requirement. Our professional sales will help you.
That's right. Okay, now let's check the comments. Let's check if there is a friend left comments to us. Here is a friend asks, do you have touch screen?
Yes, dear, we have touch screen for our incubator. You can send us an inquiry to get more details, and our sales will send you the catalog and latest price.
Okay, now we are going to introduce another hot selling products in the lab. This way, here. This is our another hot selling lab machine. This is our 3-part hematology analyzer.
Firstly, let me show you the structure of our 3-part hematology analyzer. The front panel and the back panel.
This is our 3-part hematology analyzer with the 8-inch display screen. Here, 8-inch. It can provide clear view, which is convenient for users to operate. And it is also equipped with mouse and keyboard. Here. Besides, we have optional touch screen, which is more convenient and efficient. And for this 3-part hematology analyzer with the compact design, the weight is only 12 kilograms. It can save weight when shipping, save space when in use, and easy to move.
We adopt integrate hydraulic design, which can use large reagents when doing testing, so that to save the cost of reagents. And any brand of reagents is suitable for our machine because it's with open reagent system.
So that the reagents can be purchased locally which is more convenient and at the same time lower reagent quality risk. Reagents are liquid and require special transportation methods, so we recommend you can purchase the reagents locally.
And for our model, it can be 24 hours power on, and it can sleep and wake up automatically at any time when you need to use it.
And the sampling needle can be automatically back and out while the machine stands by and wake up. It protects safe sampling and avoids contamination caused by long time exposure.
What's more, when the user input the patient's gender and age, this machine can automatically select the appropriate reference value range for the doctor's and patient's reference. And this function can provide convenience for the doctors to diagnose according to patient's reports.
Besides, our machine has automatic function of diagnosis and maintenance, and the log sheets for maintenance and malfunction could be established automatically.
Large capacity test results storage, at least 400,000 test results information is comprehensive. Also, it supports to expand SD memory.
It means the patient's reports can be saved for a long time and is convenient for review and comparison.
And one of our regular customers who bought our 3-part hematology analyzer left us a very good comment. He has bought Mydra's machine before. He did the same test with Mydra's machine and us, and the results were almost the same.
Customers' feedback proves that our hematology analyzer is of a high quality and with accurate results. In addition, our price is very competitive. Now let's check if our friends left comments to us. Here is a friend asks how many reagents it uses.
This is a 3-part hematology analyzer. It uses 3 kinds of reagents, my friend.
And another question is, where can I find the reagent?
It's an open system, and you could buy reagents in the local markets like Mydra's reagents, which can be compatible with our machine.
And another question is, how long can the reagents last?
Unopened reagents can valid for 2 years. If you open and use it, it's recommended to use it up in 1 month. Of course, you can still use it after 1 month, but it might affect test result.
And the last question is, can I install the machine without reagents?
We will send with a set of reagents, but since it's liquid, it will be a little bit expensive to transport. We are more recommend clients buy the reagents locally and test it.
That's right. If you are interested in our 3-part hematology analyzer, please feel free to send us an inquiry, and don't forget to send it with our slogan "I like MeCan." Then you can get $10 coupons. Okay, we have showed our friends the dental and lab products, but those are all used in the clinic or hospital. Now we are going to introduce a product can be used at home. It can allow mothers to monitor the baby's development at home.
Yes, it's the Fetal Doppler. It has high fidelity, clear sound, and high sensitivity Doppler probe, and pregnant women can check the baby's heart beating easily and clearly even they don't know any medical knowledge.
That's great. And I think parents-to-be will be very happy and feel at ease when they hear their baby's heartbeat. Maybe you will be worried, will this ultrasound do harm to the unborn baby? Our machine uses the low ultrasound dosage, so it will not be harmful to the unborn baby.
And this model is suitable for any situation. This model makes the fetus daily check and routine examination at home, clinic, community, and hospital because it's easy to carry and convenient to operate.
And what's more, it can equate with the earphone and speaker. In a noisy environment, you can wear the headphones to listen. You can also share the fetal breathing with your family. You can share these wonderful moments together.
Wow, sounds amazing. Doctors can also order those fetal Dopplers for your clinic or hospital. On one hand, you can use it when provide antenatal care. On the other hand, you can also recommend to many parents-to-be.
For satisfying different requirements of our clients, we have different models for our clients to choose. You can check the photo above the screen. Bridget, could you turn on the machine? Yes. You have turned on the machine. It's very easy to operate. Here are 3 buttons.
Hi.
Hi, welcome. Welcome, Maria. Hello, welcome to our live stream. Welcome our friends from Brazil.
Welcome, Maria.
Hello. We are introducing our Fetal Doppler. Our Fetal Doppler is very easy and convenient to operate. You can use it at home.
And what's more, the earphone and speaker are feasible. If you like it, welcome send us inquiry.
That's right. And in our today's introduction, we also introduced 2 dental equipment, the dental units and dental X-ray units. And we also introduced 2 lab equipment. It is this 3-part hematology analyzer and the heating incubator. If you have any question, please feel free to leave your comments below. And you also can send us an inquiry to get more information. Okay, let's check the comments about our Fetal Doppler. There is a friend asks, when can the Fetal Doppler monitor start to work on the fetus?
The fetal heart begins beating around 5 to 6 weeks gestation. At that time, a fetal heartbeat might be detected with a transvaginal ultrasound. The heart sounds need to get quite a bit stronger, however, before they can detect it with a fetal Doppler.
That's right.